So one huge component to our success and what makes us so great is our staff. We have a great staff here at Willies and at Akins, and David Campo took care of this build as well as a lot of other people that had their hands to make this build a success. Campo also does some video editing and filming himself, so check out Campo's take on the build process of this beautiful Apex edition.
All right guys, what's up again? It's David Campo here, working with Neal Nsheppard, Willies at Akins Ford here in Winder, Georgia. Today, we got something cool coming at y'all. We are doing our first coilover install on a brand new Ford Bronco. And I think I might have just found it here, so let's take a look at this thing. Ooh-wee, there she is. At least I think so, let's check it out. So we got it here, Badlands Edition. We're gonna be doing I believe, let's check the paperwork on it here. Yep, coilover kit, baby. This is sick. All right, let's get her in the shop.
Campo is so talented, y'all, and that is phenomenal footage. Now, back to the video. One of the biggest surprises on this Bronco is the orange colorway that matches the interior of the Badlands. Just totally incredible. And then secondly, the next surprise is we are on 37s. Oh my gosh, the 37s are truly a huge difference in the overall appearance and balance and ruggedness and substantialness. Tim is even so pumped about it. He is so fired up about the 37s and how the orange accented so well on the carbonized gray, just sitting it up so right. And Campo's installation of the coilovers was such a huge foundational part. So let's get right to the info. The 3-inch coilover from 4 Wheel Parts. We wanted to go with the most legit ride quality option possible, and so substantial in its overall height, enables us to run 37s. And here's a good look at your rear coilover that you see with the tires now installed. And up front, you can see the upper control arm along with the coil spring up front. Did not do any paint on the side fender flares, but did do some custom work out back. And we did incorporate this foil parts spare tire carrier, our mild to wild scale. We're in that mid-level range, not too far out, not too far in. The offset is just correct to where it's a great balance on the 37s. And look at that fuel covert. Oh my gosh, with the orange center cap, looking so clean. Love the anthracite gray, how it matched so nicely, but a perfect overall stance. And the Toyo Open Country MT tire is the perfect tire for this build as well. And you saw it came with the rear track bar in the installation from Campo. Full components front and rear to make it the most legit kit. The rock rail protectors on the 4-door, just clean that body lines up there at the bottom. On our side Bronco badging, we took it to the next level with the orange just on the side. We didn't want to keep it the whole thing orange, just the facing black and the side orange, because if we'd done that, it would just not been tasteful enough. And the same on the front Bronco letters. Front facing is black, orange on the side. The rigid triple fog lights cubes are a must. Great visibility on and off road. We did the front body grille body color. It was that gray color, and did the emblems on the front Bronco letters from white to those colorway. It's just a money setup, matching the interior, really bringing the inside and outside in totality. A true custom build. And I have my Vapor Maxes on today. Not the very fitting shoe for it, but still, nonetheless, had to get this bad boy videoed. Soft top with the Max Lighter stripe, old school retro stripe. Has a great overall appeal to it, even if it's not necessarily a retro overall theme you're looking for. Just adds to the rugged old school vibe of the Bronco. Y'all, this one is definitely our favorite. There's gonna be more to come, but going up and up on all these builds is a must on the Bronco to make it be so legit. I hope you guys enjoyed this different style video to where we showcased, you know, some of the installation components and got Campo involved on it some more. But the carbonized gray on 37s, Apex Edition, it's all there, y'all. I'm about to go drive. Again, thanks so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Interior looking so money. Oh my gosh. Let's go.